Hi, welcome to QBit, brought to you by QGate. I'm Steve Clarke, Sales Director at QGate. In this QBit, I wanted to talk to you about AI compliance, and more specifically, compliance when putting prompts into things like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. So there are some, let's say, concerns when it comes to using ChatGPT and Copilot in a work environment, that what you're putting in can either be sent off to Microsoft or OpenAI for training models, so sensitive information going out there into the ether. And second to that is actually compliance around what you are putting in as prompts. So if it's legitimately allowed, if it's not going to get you in trouble further down the line. Now, in the former of those, if you're using something like Copilot for Business, so you have a license from work, then your data doesn't go anywhere, doesn't go off into the ether. It's not used to train any Microsoft models. Microsoft do explicitly state that in their terms and conditions. That's not the same for the free version of Copilot. Anything that you do put in there, Microsoft will use it to train their models. So just be careful from that standpoint. Now, from a compliance perspective, when it comes down to prompts, Microsoft Copilot has a very, very useful prompt coach agent. So within the agents part of Microsoft Copilot. So you go into it, put your prompt that you're asking into it, and it will then tell you if that's compliant. So if it is breaking any rules around asking for information like insider information or sensitive financial documents. So if you are a little bit concerned about what you're asking can be a little bit close to the wire, Microsoft Copilot prompt coach agent, should I say, is a very good place to start. So that's it for another QBit by QGate. We'll speak to you soon.